One of the most common questions I've been getting recently is, I'm a beginner. How do I start my digital marketing and e-commerce journey? Where do I find, where can I learn about digital marketing and e-commerce? Would you mentor me? Would you teach me how to make money from it? This particular video is going to highlight 7 free ways you can begin to learn digital marketing and get some form of certification. So they are all free, however some are paid, but I'm going to give you some sort of suggestion as to how to apply for scholarship or financial aid and get those same certifications for free. So number 1 is Google Digital Garage. This is the first set of Google certifications I did personally. I remember doing this back in 2017, 2018. I did the Google AdWords, I did the Google Display, I did the Google Video certifications. I did about maybe 4 to 7 different Google certifications during that period, and this particular one was free. So this particular course will teach you how to, learn paid PPC, pay-per-click, learn how you can run paid search campaigns, learn how you can run even video campaigns or display campaigns. Moving on to number 2. So number 2 is the same people, Google, but this is the digital marketing and e-commerce professional course. I've spoken about this in previous videos because I've not taken the course by myself yet, I'll be honest, but I've looked at the models and it's something that I believe is very, very vital and key. All the skills that I leverage today in my day-to-day, Google, that particular professional certification has those skills listed. It doesn't have all the tools, but it's a good place to start. And in a particular video, I talk about how you can get a scholarship from tech companies on Coursera for Coursera certifications. So I'm going to link that video up here. You can go watch it. I put in my application twice. So I actually did my Meta Marketing Analytics certification on Coursera. I got that free of charge while I was doing my masters. So you can go and see how I set up my application, and you can actually get that, you can get this particular digital marketing and e-commerce professional course for free. The next one is HubSpot Academy. So like I told you before, some of these certifications will be application or software certifications, and this particular one is an example. HubSpot is more of a CRM and email marketing tool, but they have a very, 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 very interesting and well diversified digital marketing academy. They teach you things like SEO, social media, digital marketing, email marketing, things like that. I got the inbound marketing certification from HubSpot, where it kind of showed me how to get a lot of traffic to my website, how to get a lot of leads to my website. So if you're running a more B2B led type of business, you should consider checking that out. The next one I'm going to talk about is also another software or application certification, which is from Semrush. So Semrush also has their own academy, Semrush Academy. And one thing, if you know anything about Semrush or anything about digital marketing, you will know when it comes to Semrush, they are known for SEO. So Semrush, Ahrefs, Moz are one of the major players in the SEO space. And Semrush, they have this particular certification I was looking at. I think it's AI for marketing or marketing AI certification, and I'm definitely going to find time to do that. When I do that, I'll probably do a video about it and see how it comes. But Semrush is a good place to also get some sort of knowledge. Like, for example, look at me now. I want to go and learn from Semrush as well. So it's worth looking at. And these certifications, they are free. Why are these certifications free? Again, it's a question I've asked myself, and it's a question that I'm guessing you might be asking as well. The way it works is these applications make money either when you use them or some of them when you run ads. So the more you use these applications, the more you spend money on these applications. I'll give you an example. If Google teaches you how to run advertising on their platform and make a lot of money as a business or as a digital marketing professional, naturally you will spend more money advertising on the Google platform. So at the end of the day, everybody makes money. The best kind of business to be in is the business of making your partner money. Everybody's making money, everybody's happy. So that's exactly why Google would give you a free certification. So it's not necessarily free in a way, you will still pay. But let's move on. The Amazon Ads Learning Console. If you learn how to run Amazon ads on the platform, naturally you will make money on the platform, right? So this is also, some people think it's more e-commerce, but I honestly believe it's both digital marketing and e-commerce, because my experience with the Amazon ads platform is almost like a combination of Meta and Google on one platform when you decide to run ads. That's my own honest opinion. The next one here is Udemy. A lot of people don't know that Udemy actually offers free certifications. I've taken probably 4 courses on Udemy. I've taken a product management course. That's what helped me get my product management certification, where I learned the whole agile methodology and all of that. The second one was my my software development course, where I learned website development. And when it was time to move on to other things, I was like, nah, thank you, I'm just going to stay here. So I didn't finish that course. The other one was I had one that was the marketing analytics course, which till today I've still not finished. Why I'm telling you this is, one of my problems with Udemy is the curriculum of these courses are very broad. Some people don't mind, some people like that, but for me that's been a challenge, because my time is not limited. But on these platforms, I want to learn as quickly as possible and begin to see changes in what I'm doing in my day-to-day as quick as possible. So if you give me a very broad curriculum, I will get bored or I'll get tired and move on to something else that I can pick up quicker and faster, something like that. But yeah, this is not me knocking down Udemy. There are a lot of amazing courses on Udemy, and again, like I told you, somebody prefers that kind of teaching style, so you can go check that out. This one, some people would argue that it might not be a platform where people can learn, but obviously I beg to disagree, because that's where you and I are on at the moment, which is YouTube. YouTube is, in my own opinion, the biggest online educational platform at the moment. I honestly and truly believe that on YouTube I can learn how to build a car, I can learn how to build a spaceship, I can learn how to travel to Mars on YouTube. If I take my time to look for certain videos, I'm sure I'll be able to make these things a reality, honestly. And with that in mind, if you're enjoying this video, this is the perfect time to give me a thumbs up. You know what I can tell, next time you see me I might be in Mars. But yeah, if you have family or friends that will find this kind of video helpful, go ahead to share it with them at this particular point, and don't forget to subscribe. Now with that in mind, I only have one more course, or I wouldn't call it a course, it's more of a masterclass, and that is my free masterclass that is coming up soon. It is free. Again, I would say that it's free. I'm not trying to sell you anything. It's a live session that talks about how digital marketing and e-commerce, can improve or impact your life, depending on either you want to use it as an in-demand skill as a career, or you want to use it to even start your business or improve your business, whether it's product-based or service-based. We will talk about that on the live session, and it's going to be very interactive. So if you want to join the class, all you have to do is visit my website, my name, www.daminiwilliams.com. Please, my name is not www. My name is daminiwilliams.com. Or you can actually just check I think on YouTube there's a part where it says upcoming videos, and you can actually click the notify me bell on that particular video, and once I go live, it will notify you that I'm live, and you'll be ready. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, I started this video by telling you, a lot of people ask me questions as to where to start their digital marketing journey, things like that. I've given you 7 to 8 different ways you can start learning digital marketing. At least focus on 3 or 4. I'll say let's do half. Focus on 3 or 4 platforms and begin to work on it. You don't need, some people think you need a laptop. Yes, I agree, a laptop would definitely help, but you can start with your phone. You can start with, social media marketing. You can start to learn how to create content. You can start to learn how to do so many forms of digital marketing with just your phone. All right, you have no excuse. And one of the things you can start with is my masterclass. So I will be seeing you guys there. All right, take it easy.